Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to create beautiful circle Mehndi designs. First, let's get organized. You will need your Mehndi cone, a clean practice sheet, and a damp cloth for any cleanups. It is crucial that your Mehndi cone has a fine, consistent tip. This ensures your lines are crisp and clear. Before applying to skin, spend some time practicing drawing perfect circles of different sizes on your sheet. This initial step builds confidence and control for stunning results. Now, let's master the art of drawing a perfect circle. Start by placing a small dot on your practice surface. This will be your center point. Gently apply even, consistent pressure to your Mehndi cone as you smoothly rotate your hand around the center dot. The key is to aim for a continuous, unbroken line to form a neat and symmetrical circle. Practice creating circles ranging from approximately 1 inch to 3 inches in diameter to develop your control. Once your main circle is drawn, it is time to add some beautiful inner embellishments. You can fill the inside with small, evenly spaced dots, tiny petals, or delicate, flowing lines. Remember to maintain symmetry and even spacing to ensure your design looks balanced and harmonious. Using a very fine tip on your cone will allow for the most intricate details. Consider adding a central floral motif or a classic mandala pattern to truly make it stand out. To complete your circle Mehndi design, let's focus on the outer borders and finishing touches. Create a decorative border around your main circle using elements like scallops, arches, or a series of small dots. You can then add small leaves, delicate vines, or teardrop shapes to further enhance the outer design. Ensure that the entire pattern flows together harmoniously. Finally, allow the Mehndi to dry completely for several hours, ideally 6 to 8 hours, to achieve a rich, long-lasting stain.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.